Welcome back guys. So this is going to be the complete battery drain test of ROG Phone 3. My ROG Phone 3 has 6000 mAh battery. First I'll be playing 5 games for 2.5 hours, 30 minutes each. After that I will be playing YouTube videos for 2 hours straight. And if even after that there is some battery remaining, I'll be recording some videos to completely drain the battery. I'll completely max out all of the parameters. Brightness set to 100%. You can see it's around 525 lux. I'll set the refresh rate to 144 Hz. First I'll start with PUBG. I'll be connecting my JBL Quantum 400 headset to ROG Phone 3 using this Type-C to USB dongle. The volume has been maxed out. Let me just enable X mode, Bluetooth, NFC, location and even system lighting. Let's just start PUBG Mobile. I'll disconnect it from the battery. And now I'll just enable the stopwatch. Let me show you my settings. These are my graphics setting, HDR, frame rate set to extreme. I'll enable anti-aliasing. Auto adjust graphics setting have been disabled. So let's just start the game. This is the real-time resource monitor. You can see temperature is on the lower side, 32 degrees Celsius. Screen side temperature is around 30.6 degrees Celsius. I have set up the air triggers for PUBG. X mode has been enabled and set to level 2. You can see the clock speed. Here it's around 3.09 GHz. It will lower down to 2.07 GHz when temperature increases. Good placement of the secondary Type-C port. Now I can easily connect my headset and hold the phone like this. Oh, I forgot to max out the brightness. Just maxed out the brightness. My bad. Now the battery should drain quickly. And it has been set to 144 Hz, but this game's FPS is capped at 60. After this game I will be running Real Racing 3. That game is able to achieve 144 FPS. Okay, I'll pick some weapons. First kill. Wow, it looks amazing. So colorful. 100% brightness. You can see the game is not very heavy on CPU and GPU when it's running at 60 FPS maxed out settings. GPU utilization is around 50%. You can see system lighting is also enabled. I have been playing the game for around 10 minutes now. Battery dropped from 100% to 97%. Got another kill. Even at 100% brightness, the phone isn't heating much. I thought it would impact the phone's thermal performance. Okay, we got killed there. But we've been playing the game for around 29 minutes, almost 30 minutes. The battery drained from 100% to 91%. Let's just test another game, Real Racing 3. Okay, need to update the game, 560 MB. Alright, it took around 1.5 minutes to update. Let's just start our game. Battery is around 90%. Everything is still enabled. You can see 100% brightness, X mode, Bluetooth, NFC, location, system lighting, air triggers. Alright, the game started. It's running at 144 FPS. The real world gaming performance of ROG Phone 3 is just amazing. Time for a proper race. So many opponents in this race. Still we are getting 144 FPS. Okay, race complete. This will be our last race. After this I will be running GTA San Andreas. I have been playing the game for around 30 minutes now. Battery dropped from 91% to 80%. Locked 144 FPS on ROG Phone 3. I've just connected my Xbox One gamepad and removed the gaming headset. I've set the volume to 100%. Outdoor mode is disabled. Brightness is still set at 100%. Everything has been enabled. These are the display settings. I'll max out the in-game brightness as well. Visual effects maxed out. Resolution set to 100%. Draw distance set to 100%. Shadows set to advanced. Car reflection set to max. Let's just start our game. Now I can control Carl. People often ask me to run this game on Damon PS2 Pro emulator. It's better to run the Play Store version. There are a lot of bugs with the Damon PS2 Pro emulator version.
At least it was. We gotta get back to the hood, man. It's too crazy around here. Grab a bike and pedal. Either you ain't forgotten that. Follow my lead.
Alright, some gang members attacked us.
Takes you back some, huh, CJ? Yeah.
Things has changed around here.
CJ, watch your back around here, man.
How it get so bad?
Look at the
I thought
enhanced
this was
shadows.
family's turn.
They are here. Need to be quick.
Yeah, it's Temple's bride now. We don't roll with them no more.
So I played the game for around 30 minutes. Battery dropped from 80% to 75%. Brightness is still set at 100%. You can see Bluetooth is enabled, X mode is enabled, NFC location, air trigger system lighting. Alright, so I connected my JBL Quantum 400 headset to ROG Phone 3. Volume has been set to 100%. Our timer is still ticking, 2 hours 32 minutes. So at the start of the video, battery percentage is around 54%. You can see refresh rate has been set to 144 Hz. Brightness has been maxed out. X mode is enabled. So I'll just play the video. Quality has been set to Full HD 60 FPS. So I'll check back after an hour. Alright, so I've been playing the YouTube video for about an hour now. And battery drained from 54% to 44%. There's a lot of battery still remaining. So I'll just play the YouTube videos for 2 more hours instead of an hour. So guys, I've been playing YouTube videos for around 2 hours now. Battery dropped from 54% to 34%. You can see the battery percentage here. So I'll be checking the battery levels after an hour now. Alright guys, so I've been playing YouTube videos for around 3 hours now. And battery dropped from 54% to 23%. Now I'll be recording some 4K videos in 60 FPS. Okay, I started the video recorder. It has been set to 4K 60 FPS mode. And you can see battery is around 22%. I'll just let it record. So guys, I've been recording the video for 30 minutes now. I'll just stop it, delete the file and restart the video again. You can see here battery percentage dropped to 4%. Phone has heated up a lot as well. I'll restart the video again. On the screen side, temperature is around 45 degrees Celsius. 4K 60 FPS video recording is very demanding. Only 1% battery remaining now. Phone can be switching off at any time. We crossed the 6 hours mark. Yeah, it switched off, shutting down. And now I'll just stop the timer. So it took around 6 hours and 9 minutes to completely drain the phone from 100% to 0%. Now I'll be charging the phone and we'll be seeing how much time it takes to charge from 0% to 100%. I'll be using the 30 watts hypercharger that is provided in the box. You can see the readings here, 30 watt max. I'll connect it to the side type C port. You can see phone is completely switched off. I'll start the timer now. Let me measure the temperatures. It's cool, 31.2 degrees Celsius. So I'll be switching on the phone. Hypercharge. I'll just disable extra features. Brightness was set at 100%. I'll just reduce it. Disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, X mode, NFC, location, system lighting, air triggers. Now I'll just place the phone. I'll be checking it after 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes now. The charger really charges the phone very fast. You can see battery has been charged from 0% to 53%. Let me just zoom in. Let me measure the temperatures. Maximum temperature on the screen side is around 39.5 degrees Celsius. On the back side, temperature is around 39.9 degrees Celsius. I'll just check it again after 30 minutes. After an hour, let's check out the battery. It has charged from 0% to 89%. Let me measure the temperatures. The temperature has gone down. So initially temperature is on the higher side, but now you can see it's around 35.2 degrees Celsius. Let's check out the temperature on the back side. It's around 36.4 degrees Celsius. Now it should be completely charging soon. Alright, the phone has completely charged up from 0% to 100%. It took around 1 hour and 27 minutes. Let me just measure the temperatures. You can see temperature is on the lower side, 28.5 degrees Celsius. And on the back side, it is around 28.6 degrees Celsius. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.